Hey everyone, as you guys know, I got my Samsung Galaxy Tab a couple of days ago, and I was talking about getting some skins for it, but I couldn't find any skins for the Galaxy. Well, actually, I found like two skins for the Galaxy Tab, and actually, there was a little bit more skins for the Galaxy Tab S7 Plus versus the regular S7 right here. But the two skins that I saw online, both of them had the little magnetic strip here covered up. So I don't know if, because it was covered up, if it was gonna, still hold in your S Pen. If anything, I would think it would probably not hold it as well with you know, the magnetic strip being covered up. So I actually made my own skin, as you can see right here. And I didn't have any cutout to go by other than after I got this, folio cover that I just reviewed, where I had to like trace out the cutouts for this part right here for the S Pen and the camera cutout from the back. And if you guys, like I said, are interested in learning how to make your own skins or whatever, actually, like if you guys have any skills in like any kind of skills in arts or crafts or whatever like that, you like, and I really don't. As you can see, I kind of messed up here. I still messed up on the cutout here a little bit, and I cut this part a little short right here on the bottom, but it still looks nice with this skin that I bought right here, that I also made, as you guys know, for my LG V60 dual screen case and the actual LG V60 itself. So I'll put the links in the videos on how I made the cutouts for this, and also all the other skins that I made for my other devices with just a strip of, or a roll, a 12 by 60 inch roll of this. This is called the Dia, DIYHAH, Dia 3D high gloss carbon fiber vinyl wrap. So I'll put all the links in the description, and that is about it for this short little video, and we will see you in another video very soon with another review of another Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 case. If you guys found this review informative or you got some value out of this video, please like and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at The Workout Geek for all my latest happenings and great workout tips. Till next time, everybody, take care, stay safe, stay healthy, and have a wonderful day.